Oftentimes within data, we have a list that will have multiple people's names or multiple states. And depending on how we want to go through and sort or use more advanced tools such as VLOOKUP, we need to condense that list down so that we only have a unique list of names. So let's go through and see how we can reduce that by removing the duplicates. In this case, we have a column B, with all of the directors' names. But as we know, James Cameron, very prolific director, his name is probably going to show up multiple times. I'm going to go ahead and create a second tab here. Click on this and call it Directors. I'm going to take column B by selecting the column B at the top and using Control-C to copy it, and then Control-V for paste. So I've copied all of those lists, all of those names over from the directors' names. If I select column A and then go to Data, and then my icon that's under the Data Tools that looks like two columns is my Remove Duplicates option. When I select that, it's going to take everything from column A and remove any name that's a duplicate. So now I'm only going to have a unique list of names. When I select OK, in this case, it found 2,644 duplicate values found, and there's 2,400 unique values that remain. So now if I were to go through this list, and let's say I use the Control-F, Control-Find, and I look for James Cameron, his name should appear only once. And as I do this, it's finding his name only once. So again, very helpful later on if I'm going to use VLOOKUP, because anything I want to associate with only this person's name, in this case a director, will appear only once.